A lot of you always tell me I have no dark circle or really smooth under eye. I'm gonna tell you how I do the trick. Most of your eye creams are usually water-based, so you need a water-based concealer. Check the label in the back. If it says aqua first, then it's a water-based concealer. I usually use a very light amount. We're gonna tap it out with a small brush. Make sure we're not moving the product around and really focusing on that area. That way you can use less product and it wouldn't come out cakey. I actually don't like baking my under eye. I take a translucent powder with a powder puff and really just press onto those areas. Always remember less is more when it comes to makeup.